Listen and read. Ball games around the world.
What ball games do you know? Do you play with a bat? Do you play with your hands or feet?
Baseball.
Baseball is a very popular game in the USA and in Japan. You play baseball with a bat and a ball. You must hit the ball, then you run quickly around the diamond.
Cricket.
Cricket is very popular in the UK, Australia, New Zealand, India and Pakistan. You play cricket with a bat and a very hard, fast ball. You must stand at a wicket. Then you hit the ball with the bat and run quickly to the other wicket.
Australian rules football.
Australian rules football comes from Australia. You can run with the ball and you can kick it. It's a very exciting game. The players can jump very high.
Fun fact: do you know that people all around the world play ball games?